In this video, I'll guide you through how to add GSAP in Webflow. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out integrating GSAP, or the GreenSock animation platform into your Webflow project can unlock a whole new level of dynamic creativity. So let's dive in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to webflow.com. Logging into your Webflow account will bring you to your dashboard where all your projects are stored. Once you're on Webflow's homepage, you'll want to find a button labeled All Sites. Clicking on this will display a list of all your current Webflow projects. Now that you can see all your sites, go ahead and select the one you want to add GSAP to. Simply hover over the desired project and click to open it. This will take you to your site's main settings area where you can manage various details of your project. Once your project is open, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll notice a gear icon which represents the settings. Clicking on this icon will open up the project settings page. This is where you can adjust configurations for your site, and it's where we'll be focusing our efforts today. As you explore the settings, you might see various options available to you. The next step is to locate and click on the GSAP option. Doing this will allow you to start the process of incorporating GSAP into your Webflow site. GSAP is renowned for its high-performance animations and extensive flexibility, making it a favorite among web designers looking to add intricate animated elements to their websites. Now, it's essential to note that to fully utilize GSAP's capabilities within Webflow, you'll need to have access to custom code. This feature isn't available on all Webflow plans. Therefore, if you find that you don't currently have access to custom code, you may need to consider upgrading your site plan. An upgraded plan will provide you with the ability to add custom code, unleashing the full potential of GSAP's animations on your site. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully integrate the GSAP into your Webflow site, paving the way for a more interactive and engaging web experience for your users. Remember, while setting up GSAP might seem straightforward, the real magic happens when you start crafting and implementing your animations. Thank you for following along in this tutorial on how to add GSAP in Webflow. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more of our content for additional tips and tricks on elevating your web design projects. Happy animating!